Good morning, Year 8. This is our assembly for this week. I do plan on trying to find a way of doing the assemblies live again, like I did last time in lockdown with my year group and now obviously with you. We are trying to figure out a way of extending Google Meet beyond 100 people. Otherwise, it might just have to be done in 2 slots the next time around. So just basically a PowerPoint, but I want you to go through each slide individually and read everything that's on there and take notice of the advice that you're given on them. So on the slide after this, it's what to do if you are struggling. So this time round, none of us even imagined that schools would close again after being told for so long that schools would do everything to stay open. But we find ourselves in this situation now up until at least February half term and maybe even beyond. We don't know that yet. So I think most people on some level are going to struggle, not just yourselves, but us as well, maybe your parents, in trying to get our heads around this again and try and find the best way forward possible. So there's just some tips here in terms of if you are struggling, what you should do. And I think the most important message for you in this is to stay in touch with us, to contact us, to let people know, as we do have Google Meet now, and you've hopefully had some contact with your tutors, checking that you're okay. But my motto will still always be, it's okay to not be okay at the moment, and I think talking about it definitely helps. It certainly does for me. On the slide after that, it is just about home learning if you're struggling to access the work, and then from that onwards is what your day should look like. I am going to upload some resources to our Google Classroom to help you structure your day a little bit more so you can wake up and create yourselves a timetable for the day with your breaks and lunches, because everybody has a slightly different routine in lockdown. And then some fun stuff towards the end. So if you just look through the slides, read everything, and hopefully we'll be back in touch with you again later this week maybe, or definitely in PSC next week, because PSC lessons are going to be delivered as normal. So this isn't really the way that I wanted to do my first assembly with you as your new head of year, but I'm sure the next time round it will be face to face and you'll be able to ask questions or just have a little bit more contact. So take care of yourselves, make sure you stay safe. Shouldn't be going out much at all apart from to have your daily exercise once a day, and make sure that you care and support the people that are around you at home, particularly parents who are working. It's just as stressful for them as well, so anything that you can do to help at home will be appreciated. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care, Year 8.